Here's 3 tips to repair your garbage disposal. If you're hitting the switch and your garbage disposal isn't working, it's most likely tripped out. This usually happens from a jam or overuse. You're going to grab your Allen key to loosen up the blades. They usually come with the disposal. Hit the switch, make sure the switch is off while you're doing that repair, and you're good to go. If you hear a bad clicking noise while your garbage disposal is running, something's most likely stuck in it. Plenty of times it's either a dime or a quarter. This case it was a dime. That's not top of the line. Knock it out with a flathead, loosen up your blades, run the disposal. You're looking good. If you're getting a bad smell from your garbage disposal and you have all this junk caked up in there, it's fixable.